Welcome back. Now you're looking at the inside of a video inside of Amazon Video Direct. And you'll notice that this is a video all by itself and that there are no seasons attached to it. This is one of the ways that you can create content for Amazon Video Direct. You can create a video as what's called a standalone video. And so we'll briefly discuss standalone titles. There are three primary ways to publish in Amazon Video Direct. You can publish as a standalone title, as we've just seen. You can publish as a series, and you can publish as a channel. Now, the standalone title is, as it says, it's one volume or one video. And typically, if you think of it in terms of a featured movie that you might see at a theater, that is a standalone. It doesn't require you to see anything before or after it to get the maximum benefit or enjoyment from the video. So you can create a video with the intention that it would be viewed as one unit, and so that people would not have to see anything else to get the maximum benefit. And if you were communicating one idea or one event, this would be how you would use the standalone title. Now here's something that will be mentioned later and is important to note. You want to keep your audience in mind when you create video, in particular a standalone title. You will have viewers rating your video, and that will really determine how others see you. So you don't want to do it without thought. You don't want to leave a standalone title available on your account if it's not the best way to communicate the information that you're trying to get across. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.